listen keenly now. Every land of its sunrise, but in Zanzi some hearts still walk in midnight. So we chant not to fight, but to awaken the soul of the people. In the fields of Zanzi where freedom seeds were sown, blood and tears water the soil like a river unknown. Mothers prayed with trembling hands, fathers fought to free these lands. But many of the lions who stood in front never lived to see the victory hunt. And the ones who returned when the battle was done sit on thrones like them, the chosen one. Hey, awake my people, lift up your eyes and see the table full for the mighty, but the ground there for you and me. Hey, awake my people, truth knocking upon every door. Freedom in Zanzi now for the privilege it meant for rich and poor. Hear the whispers in committee hall, millions vanish like a shadow on the wall, while the children of Zanzi search for crumbs in sand, and elders stretch out a trembling hand. Them call it service, but the pockets deep, promising dawn while the people can't sleep. A nation hungry not just for bread, but justice, truth and promises said. Oh Jah, light up the darkness, guide them Zanzi through the troubled storm. No, the hearts of the humble and humble, those who forget the norm like Animal Farm. Still playing today where the pigs rewrite what the prophets say, and the sheep chant slogans without a clue, while wolves wear suits looking brand new. But a parable teach what a speech can do. Truth hide in riddles, but it still shine true. For when Zanzi's people rise awake, no golden throne can make them break. Awake, awake my people, lift up your eyes and see the table full for the mighty, but the pot empty for you and me. Awake, awake my people, no hatred, just a righteous call. If one belly full and many starving, then freedom ain't freedom at all. Hold on, hold strong to the spirit of those who gone, name them warriors, brave and true, who fall some Zanzi could break through. In the mountains, forest plains, them carried freedom in chains. Now they echo, calling out loud, stand firm, stand tall, walk proud. Some say be patient, better days will come, but patience empty when the future numb. How long must a mother pray for bread? How long till youth them lift up them head? Not asking for riches or a golden chair, just fair share in the nation's care. For the fruit of the struggle must feed the land, not only the chosen with the golden hand. Awake, awake my people, lift up your eyes and see. Domes and system sway like a dried up tree, our roots strong in you and me. Awake, awake my people, let justice answer every call. For if one soul rise and many fall, then freedom ain't freedom at all. Remember Zanzi's journey, remember the ones who gave everything. Freedom now for the few, freedom for the whole family of humanity. So rise, my people.